Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cook pork leg hamonada. Tastes so good. Here are the ingredients of pork hamonada. First is the pork leg, salt, peppercorn, pineapple juice, Filipino soy sauce, of course, otherwise it won't be hamonada without the Filipino soy sauce, brown sugar, and if you can buy muscovado sugar, the better, garlic, few cloves, and bay leaf. First thing to do is to rub the pork leg with the salt. It is like my way of getting the funky smell of the leg. So I just rub it in with salt. Okay. Then after rubbing it, you rinse it with the lukewarm water. So I'll rinse it with lukewarm water. So after rinsing it with lukewarm water, you just set this aside for a minute, and then you prepare, or you boil water in a pot, the same pot that you will use for cooking this pork leg. So it really depends on how big your pork leg is, so you need a bigger pot, okay? So first is you put the garlic on the boiling water. Next, when it's boiling, you put in the pork leg. Okay, and let it boil for like 15 to 20 minutes. This time you can put a little bit of salt also in the boiling water. So there's salt, there's garlic in there. So you just let it boil, and after like 10 minutes you boil the other side of the pork leg. Okay, after boiling the pork for like 10 to 15 minutes, you drain it, you drain the water, and then now you add the 1 liter pineapple juice. So in medium heat, add the soy sauce, 1/2 cup soy sauce, brown sugar, 4 tablespoons brown sugar, garlic, around 3 cloves, and a few bay leaf, 3 or 4 is enough. And now the pepper. So you just simmer it in medium heat, and then cover it. So it will take like 2 hours to make it tender. So for now, we will cover it. So, but you have to check once in a while, just to see if the pork leg do not stick on the base of the pot. Okay, after 3 hours of simmering the pork leg with its sauce, like only 1/4 of the sauce is left, and with the constant pouring of the sauce over the pork leg, it will give like an even brown color. But like after an hour and a half, when I started cooking, I reversed the pork leg on the other side to have you know, because if it is not submerged in the sauce, the color will be pale. So you have to reverse it at least once, and constantly pouring some sauce in between. See? it looks nice. The sauce is a bit thick now. So we'll just simmer it for like 15 more minutes in low heat until the sauce will be reduced even more. This is perfect. It's so tender. The skin is very, very tender now, and the meat is not dry. Here is our finished product, pork leg hamonada a la Katrina. Tastes good. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and you'll find the recipe and the procedure under the video. And please give us a thumbs up or drop some comments below. Thank you very much. See you soon. Olivia, here's your dinner. Hamonada. Oh, here, okay. Wow.